Meaning of far-flung.
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 Far-flung. Far-flung means to be located at a great distance, either physical or metaphorical, from a center point. It describes something that is widely dispersed, remote, or isolated, often beyond what is normally expected or easily accessible. For example, a country with many outlying regions could be said to have far-flung territories. Alternatively, a person who has friends scattered throughout the world might describe their social network as far-flung. Overall, the term emphasizes the sense of vastness, dispersion, and detachment from a central location.